So, I don't know if any of you guys out there have had these these car trailers like this, or these long flatbeds, or any trailer for that matter, that has these covers on there like these bearing covers. They have the, you know, the greasable cap there, that rubber piece pops out, the metal piece stays. Well, recently I had one of these fellas pop off on me somewhere, get lost in a Never Never Land. So I had to McGiver it, right? And so what I did was I had a Love's soft drink cup from Love's truck stop. And this is what I did. I cut it down, as you can see. I cut the bottom of it out. Then I strung some zip ties through the holes on each side and strung a big zip tie through the middle. And if you notice, I made sure that I caused these little indentations so it couldn't come out. And I'm telling you right now, I drove 128 miles just like that. And it's still there now. Of course, I got new caps, but in a pinch, remember that Love's cup, it can come in handy, so don't throw it away.